Chapter on whoever hates to revert to kufr, atheism or disbelief as he hates to be thrown in fire is a part of faith. Narrated Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, whoever possesses the following three qualities will taste the sweetness of faith. The one to whom Allah Almighty and His Messenger Muhammad, peace be upon him, become dearer than anything else, who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake, who hates to revert to disbelief, atheism, after Allah Almighty has brought him out, saved him from it, as he hates to be thrown in fire.